Our generation has lost something very special, and that's our repair society. We used to have a thriving industry focused on repairing appliances, cars, footwear, you name it. Nowadays, when you need something fixed, it's usually easier to just replace the thing. But repairing is awesome. Not only is it rewarding, you'll save money and you'll save the environment, which is a win-win. And lucky for us, the Flexzilla garden hose is repairable. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Flexzilla garden hose should it get damaged. Now, if you already own the SwivelGrip from Flexzilla, great choice by the way. These things are drinking water safe, super flexible, lightweight, and the SwivelGrip style is a game changer. And if you don't know about the SwivelGrip, it's a feature in the handle of the hose that allows that handle to spin freely. So when you walk away, the hose can unkink itself. We did a full video review on it, so there's a video linked below if you're curious. So let's say a rodent sheared right through your hose. I'm gonna show you how to get it back up and running again. All right, to get the job done, you're gonna need a cutting tool of your choice. You're gonna need 2 adjustable wrenches, and you're gonna need a Pro Reusable fitting from Flexzilla. These come in male or female versions. I have the male version in this example. So this is gonna give you a more finished look than repairing with a hose clamp, which is the traditional fix for this situation. And for reference, this kit is 85% cheaper than purchasing a new Flexzilla 100-foot hose. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is cut away the damage. I've obviously already ran a test here earlier, but we're just gonna cut it for the sake of cutting it again, just so you can see. So there you go, not super hard. And I'll show you with a knife as well. All right, had to flip it around for my dominant cutting hand, but yeah, just score it a couple times, complete the cut. There you go. All right, so we've cut away the damage. We got a nice clean end to work with now. I'm gonna add this bend restrictor, which just kind of extends the lifespan here. It doesn't allow it to kind of fold in the same spot over and over, as that is a kind of high use, high bend area. So now we're gonna add the nut, and we're just gonna slide that on there as well. Then you wanna add the barb. I like to take a little bit of water on my finger and just kind of prime it here, and then makes it a little bit easier, put the barb on. So now, all we have to do is tighten this up with those 2 adjustable wrenches. All right, so now that we got those tightened properly, we can just snap this into place, and there you have it. All right, so let's take this thing outside and put it to the test. So there you have it. Industry has gifted us with a product you can repair yourself. So now you have no excuse to keep buying those hoses that you gotta throw away after they rupture. So go green or chartreuse with Flexzilla. If you've had good experiences with other products that can be repaired, shout them out in the comments. I'm sure other viewers will find that helpful. Help us grow our channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.